Hello everyone. This morning I will teach fractions for the kindergarten. But before that, I will sing you a song. Okay? Games with number in our minds makes us happy, makes us feel bright. Our math lessons interesting all over. It made easy for us to enjoy till the end of time. Games with numbers in our minds makes us happy, makes us feel bright. Our math lessons interesting all over. It made easy for us to enjoy till the end of time. It's made easy for us to enjoy till the end of time. It made easy for us to enjoy till the end of time. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's start our lesson. Oh. Our lesson for today is about, I will teach you about adding fractions for the kindergarten. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Okay, let's start. Let's start our lesson. Fractions for kindergarten. For kindergarten. Okay. Okay, class. Are you listening to me? Okay. Now, I'm going to draw a big circle and we will think this circle is a pizza pie. Okay, let's divide this into 4 because there are 4 people. So, okay, this pizza pie is 4 pieces. So, now I will give these 2 pieces to, let's shade this one. These 2 pieces, let's shade this. The shaded part will give these 2 pieces to Angel. Okay. Angel, 2. Okay. Over 4. So the 2 pieces, we give it to Angel. And then, let's count all the pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we'll bring down the 4 here. And the shaded part is the numerator. Okay? Okay, let's give you an example. I'll give 2 pieces to Angel. Okay, now, what is now the form of our fraction? 4 pieces. Okay, let's always put this sign. Okay? First thing to do is you have to count all the, or you can just simply write all the shaded part. Okay? How many shaded part here in this circle? 1, 2. So you put her on top, which is the numerator. And after counting the shaded part here, you count all the parts. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4. So now the fraction is 2 over 4. The shaded part, I'll give 2 pieces to Angel. I give it already to Angel. So now, this is our fraction, 2 over 4. Okay? Now, another one, like this. Let's shade this part. Okay, now let's write into a fraction. Okay, how to write this in a fraction? Let's count first the shaded part. How many shaded part? There is only 1, so 1. And then after that, you count all the parts. 1, 2. You count all the shaded part and not shaded part. You count all the parts, okay? 1, 2. So 1/2. It is very simple. Another one. Okay. Like this. Like that. Two, 4, 6, 8. So there are 8 parts. Okay, now we're going to shade this upper part here. Okay? This one shade, this one shade, this one shade, this one shade. So now we will write this one into a fraction. Okay, first you have to do the line. Okay, count all the shades. The shaded part. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4. So you write on top of the line. And then after that, you count all the shaded and non-shaded parts. You will count all the squares, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now it is 8. So the fraction is 4 over 8. Or 4 is part of 8. Okay? 4 is part of a whole, which is 8 is a whole. Okay? Okay, another one. Well, just learning on how to write into fraction. Let's say another one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is a lot of squares. Okay, now we will count. Okay, we will shade this part here. Shade, 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 shade. Okay, draw a line. Count all the shaded parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write on top 8. Now, you count all after counting the shaded areas. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So 8 over 32. That is on how to write a fraction. Okay? We will not simplify first because I'm teaching you on how to write the fraction. We will not reduce. Fractions. Okay. Now class, what is a fraction? Fraction is composed of numerator and denominator. So this one is a fraction. A fraction means a division, okay? Because 1 over 2, that is mean by you have to divide. 1 divided by 2, it's translated this way. 1 divided by 2, that is the same, okay? Or you can also 1 divided by 2. So that is the same. Okay? So fractions 2 over 4. So numerator, denominator. If the numerator is smaller than the denominator, that is proper fraction. So, look at this. The smaller number, bigger number. Always, the proper fraction, the numerator is always small. No? Small. Always small. Smaller than the denominator. Okay. So, now, since we have this number, we will interpret this into a drawing. Okay, who can draw this? Okay, we will draw here. Okay, 2 over 4. So now, how many pieces? A total pieces. There are 4 pieces. So, let's draw a circle and divide into 4. So there are 4 pieces. Now let's look the shaded part. The shaded part is always on top. You know, the numerator is a part of a whole. See, this one is the numerator too. So we will shade this. 1, 2. So the shaded part, that means 1, 2, you put 2 here, and then you count all 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that's okay. Okay, next 3 over 4. Now we will draw. So that means we will divide into 4 again. So how many shaded part here? The shaded part is always on the numerator, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So that is the interpretation of the drawing, okay, in this fraction. 1, 2, 3. So write 3. And then after that, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 over 4. Okay? Did you understand now? Okay, very good. Very good. Okay. Another example, like 3 over 5. Then, let's say 7 over 8. Now, we will draw on how to shade this fraction. Okay, that means there are 5 parts. Okay, here, let's divide into 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this one is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here's the... Okay, now. Shaded part. Okay, let's shade. 1, 2, 3. Now, count all the shaded. 1, 2, 3. So, 3 over. And then count all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See? Okay, next. 7. Shaded part is always on the numerator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now shade 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's count all the shaded part. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 over. Count all after. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Good, good, good. Is there any questions? No questions? Okay. That's good. Okay, now let's do this. Okay. Let's shade this. Let's shade this. Okay. Okay, Amy. Number 1 exercise. Okay, now first thing to do is we have to count the shaded part and translate it into a fraction. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So right here, number 3 is the numerator over. And then count all the parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now the fraction is 3 over 7. Next, count the shaded 1. So there is only 1 over how many? And then count all the parts after. 1, 2, 3. 1/3. Next, 1, 2, 3. So 3 over. Count all the parts after. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 over 5. See how easy. Okay. Okay, okay. Now, it is very easy. You just count all the shaded part. The shaded part is a part of a whole. So 3 is a part of 7. Okay, 3 over 7. 1 over 3. 1 is a part of a whole. Like for example, I gave 3 pieces to Sandy. You know, okay. First, I will say there are 7 pieces. There are 7 pieces. And then of this pie, let's say this one is a pie or a bread. I'll give 3 pieces to Sandy. Now, how many pieces left? Okay. So, okay. Let's make a problem here. I'll give 3 pieces to Sandy. How many pieces left? Yeah. So if you give 3 pieces and there are 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 pieces left. See, 4. That's the answer. 4 pieces left. Okay, and you can also check, you know, the left pieces and the pieces that you give. So you give it 3 pieces, 3 plus 4 equals 7. So now 7, we got the whole. So we get the whole, which is 7. Okay? Okay, I hope you understand this fraction. Okay, fraction. What is a fraction? Fraction is, it has numerator and denominator. Okay, review one more. 1/2. This is a fraction. So 1 is the numerator. 2 is denominator. Okay. Always. And this fraction is a proper. This is a proper because the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Improper. Let's say 4 over 2. This is the numerator. And this is denominator. And this is an improper fraction. Okay, guys, I guess you are tired now. We've been talking almost 30 minutes, so I'll give you a break, and the important is you understand our lessons, you know. 1/2. This fraction is called an 1/2 is a proper fraction because numerator is less than the denominator. This fraction is called an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than denominator. So, big, small. Small, big. Okay. Let's see, mix. Okay. Mixed fraction consists of whole number plus a fraction plus a proper fraction. Okay. Okay, now, proper fraction, before we go, proper fraction 1/2. It is called proper because numerator is small, denominator big. Improper fraction, numerator is big, the denominator is small. See, it's opposite. Mixed fraction, we can see the whole number, which is 1 here, and then plus a proper fraction. Okay? Okay, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Let's give a clap hands. Okay, okay. If you like these videos, please give me a thumbs up. And please like, share, and subscribe if you are new to my video or new to these videos. Okay, please go to my YouTube channel, Luz Roslyn. Okay, and please share. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be updated to all my videos, okay? And thank you so much, everyone, for... If you have questions, by the way, if you have questions, please feel free to leave your comments below after the videos, okay? Thank you so much, and God bless you all. I love you. Bye-bye. Love you all. Thank you. Bye-bye.